Assalamualaikum everyone. Welcome back to another video of CS with Adam with chapter number 68 exercises of smarter way to learn JavaScript. So let's start it, this exercise. So the first question is the statement appends the node represented by C node to the parent node represented by P node. Fill in the blank. P node is our parent node, C node is or statement appends the node represented C node, and what will be the value here. So as you know from the previous chapter, this property is appendChild. Check our answer. The answer is correct. Okay. Question number 2. The statement inserts the node represented by C node. Yeah. Before the child represented by node 2, the parent node is represented by P node. Fill in the blank. So the blank should be what? Node 2. C node, comma, node 2. Check our answer. The answer is correct. Next question is when the following statement executes, what node comes before C node? जब ये following line execute करेगा तो C node के बाद क्या आएगा? Obviously node 2. Check our answer. The answer is correct. In a single statement, eliminate the last node one level down from the element represented by parent node. Single statement बताना है last node eliminate करके. Okay, बता देते हैं parent node dot remove कर लेते हैं. Remove child. Which one? Parent node. Sorry, parent node dot last child. Last child को remove कर लेंगे. Check your answer. The answer is correct. Next question is drag and drop. Create an empty paragraph element, assign it to new paragraph, and insert it before the first element of div represented by div 3. Okay. So, first of all, we have to take a where variable new paragraph equal document dot create element and what bracket 1 bracket 2 quote 1 quote 2 and the element should be p and semicolon. First line is complete. Now we have to div3 dot insert before bracket new paragraph bracket new paragraph comma ये इस लाइन में नहीं है तो सेकंड में लगा देंगे new paragraph comma div 3 dot first child div 3 dot first child and semicolon like this. So check our code against this window. Give new paragraph document dot create element p. Yes, ठीक है. div 3 dot insert before new paragraph और क्या insert करें? div 3 का first child. So it is perfect. I will click. I got it right. Okay. Question number 6 is the click in box and it will type next and it will autocomplete. So the question is insert a new element represented by new element before a child represented by child 5. The element is presented by parent element. So let's do it. I will write p so it make a parent element dot insert before bracket new element comma child 5 bracket 1 and semicolon. The next question is in a single statement insert a new element represented by new e before the third child of the parent p node. Okay, p node dot insert before bracket. Okay, first opening bracket and new e लगाना है p node पे p and it's capital node dot child nodes and कहाँ पे लगाना है in the third place. Okay, so for third place we will write second index and bracket close semicolon. The answer is correct. Okay, next question. Add a new node represented by a variable of your choice as the last child of node represented by another variable of your choice. Don't use insert before. Okay, insert before use नहीं करना, ठीक है. फिर तो वही append child का किस्सा ही करेंगे. Parent node dot append why append child bracket new node semicolon. Check our answer. Our answer is correct. Next question. Remove a node represented by a variable of your choosing from a parent represented by another variable of your choosing. Okay, so parent node dot remove child from parent node and semicolon remove child parent node. Check answer. The answer is correct. Question number 10 is using variables of your choosing, insert a new code after an existing code that has been targeted and assigned to a variable. So we'll use the previous like a pnode.insert insert before spelling mistake again ना हो जाए. कहाँ पे insert करना है? New one comma existing दे देते हैं और next one है. So next sibling method use करेंगे and semicolon. Check our answer. Our answer is correct. Next question. Create an a node, make it link to bees.com. Insert it before a node represented by a variable of your choosing under a parent represented by a variable of your choosing. Okay. Variable new e equals to document. We write document document dot create element. क्या बनाना है? लिंक बनाना है. तो लिंक के लिए कौन सा एलिमेंट यूज करते हैं? ए यूज करते हैं. ए एलिमेंट यूज करते हैं. ए एलिमेंट बना दिया. अब न्यू ई पर एट्रीब्यूट सेट करेंगे तो सेट एट्रीब्यूट और इसमें लिंक पास करना है. लिंक के लिए पहले href देना पड़ेगा. तो href लिख दिया है और कॉमा करके स्पेस देके अगेन http colon www.bees.com and semicolon and the last line is it before a node. Okay, node से पहले लगाना है तो parent element को करा देंगे parent element dot insert before and new e comma existing e and semicolon. Check our answer. If our answer is correct, our answer is not correct. What is the issue? Yes, the issue is here like this. मैंने कॉमा लगाया हुआ है. It should be a dot set attribute. तो मैंने कॉमा लगाया. कोई नहीं, इसको वापसी में बदल देंगे. Okay. So next question. Create a paragraph node. Second, create a text node with content of your choosing. Okay. Add it to paragraph node. Okay. Insert it before a node represented by this. Okay. So अब वही काम करना होगा. Where new p like new para document dot create element and that should be what? P element semicolon and we have the new t. Text is document dot create text node and in bracket I will write hello bhaiya semicolon, and now new p dot appendChild. AppendChild, mistake, AppendChild what? AppendChild new t semicolon, and now parent element dot insert before brackets what? New p comma existing e and semicolon. Let's check our answer if it is correct. अगर spelling mistake ना हो तो ये correct होना चाहिए. Again we have the issue. So कहाँ पे issue किया है देखते हैं. Again spelling mistake. The document spelling mistake. No worries. Go to the next question. Next question is triangle question. Add a new node represented by a variable of your choice as the last child of a node represented by another. Don't use before, so we will have to use parent node. We will use appendChild. AppendChild what? New node. Again spelling mistake. AppendChild will pass new node and semicolon. Check our answer. Our answer is correct. Next question. Create an empty paragraph element, assign it to a new paragraph which hasn't been declared beforehand, and insert before the first element of the div represented by div p. Sure. Right. Where 90-second we have the timing where paragraph equal to document dot create element, and what is element? P element. So I write p div 3 dot insert before what? New paragraph new paragraph comma div 3 dot first child method we use, and we'll check our answer. The answer is correct. Next question is create a new text node with a string of your choosing and assign it to a variable of your choosing which hasn't been declared beforehand. Okay, variable बना लेते हैं. Variable txt equal to document dot spelling mistake अगर ना हो document dot create text node, and it should be capital text node, and what should be a text? I will write CS with alam semicolon and check our answer. Our answer is correct. Next question. Using variables of your choosing, insert a new node after an existing node that has been targeted and assigned to a variable. So let's start it. Let's start an insert before का use करना है p node, like हमने p node use किया तो p node, it should be capital P node dot insert before 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 what? New one. Okay, new one comma existing dot next sibling and semicolon, and check our answer. The answer is correct. Next question is insert a new element represented by new element before a child represented by child file. The parent is represented by parent element. Okay, like write parent element dot insert before spelling is correct. Okay, new element, we'll take new element what? Child file and semicolon. Check our answer. Our answer is correct. Next question, in a single statement insert a new element represented by new e before the third child of the parent p node. Okay, we'll write the p node dot insert insert before, insert before new e, comma p node, comma p node dot child nodes, nodes, which one? On third child, okay, we'll place it second x, which is third child, and semicolon. Hope the answer is correct. I guess it's correct. Next question, chapter question number 19. Create an A node, make it to link to piece.com, insert before this. We already did it, but we'll repeat it. Okay, let's start it. Like we have to create first variable new A first, and we will create a link on this document, document dot get element, which element? Link element. So for this we use a tag, a element equals to where new e dot set attribute, attribute set करना है अभी, attribute set कर लेते हैं, attribute a capital है, attribute, attribute होना चाहिए link का, तो लिखेंगे href, href comma और http colon / www.peas.com semicolon, and in last line I will write parent element dot insert before new e, new e comma existing e semicolon, and check your answer. Answer is not right. Again we have the spelling mistake, I think. Like you can see, we have the bees, change it, like change it here, bees, bees. Check an answer. Again we will correct it last time. Okay, the next question, last question is create a paragraph node, create a text node with content, add it to paragraph node and insert it before the text node. So we will have to write the 4 lines again. So we'll write where, what is this, where new p, first variable should be new p. We'll create here document dot create element, element और element क्या बनाएंगे, p पैराग्राफ एलिमेंट. सो p लिख दिया, एलिमेंट बना दिया इसने, और अब एक न्यू t बनाएंगे, न्यू t, न्यू टेक्स्ट, और इसमें टेक्स्ट डालेंगे. सो डॉक्यूमेंट, document, document, spelling mistake, document, document dot create text node, and in bracket I will write cs with r semicolon, enter. Now the new p dot appendChild of what? AppendChild of new chain semicolon, parent element, element, parent element dot insert before, oh sorry, insert before new p, new p comma existing e, capital E semicolon. Check the answer, and this is the last MCQs. We will not repeat the wrong MCQs because there is just spelling mistake. Okay, so I will check this answer. This answer is complete, and thank you so much for watching this video. Stay tuned for the next exercise. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.